Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty. I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup and subscription boxes. This is my Ipsy Glam bag and Glam Bag Plus PR package from Ipsy. I'm still very sick, so I'm gonna be out of breath during this video, and I do apologize. And I'm in my kitchen, so I hope you can see me and hear me okay. Thank you all for the well wishes. If you are new here, I have been sick. I had COVID, and I'm pretty sure that I actually have pneumonia because my right lung is on fire. So we're gonna get through this very quickly. If you're unfamiliar with our OG Ipsy, it is $13 a month for 5 travel, try me size items and a cute makeup bag. And occasionally we get really lucky and get a full size product. Our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is 5 full size products. So we are going to dive in, and again, thank you to Ipsy. And it's usually just thrown in the box. So sometimes I kind of have to guess what's supposed to be in the regular Ipsy bag and what's supposed to be in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I will show you the Glam bag itself first. Very cute, like purple with pink on the inside. Very holographic. I think that is super cute. I could honestly do without the bags. I do like them, and I kind of reuse them and re-gift them. Everything fell out of this, so I'm just gonna pick out what I think might be the Ipsy Glam Bag regular one. Alright, that is a full size. I'm trying to also not really look because I like to be surprised. I'm gonna guess this is the 5th one for that. We're going with the flow, folks. I just grabbed the 5 smallest things, and I could be wrong. And this is just a kind of spoilers for you guys. So if you're someone like me that you don't typically like spoilers, I do also get my paid for bag at the end of the month. But if you don't like spoilers, you can hop out. But basically this is a very short and sweet rapid fire Ipsy unboxing to give you an idea of what you could get in your box and give me an idea of what I could get in my box. So this month's theming is You Got This, and it says September 2022. Sometimes you just need a reminder. As the CEO of your own world, embrace every challenge with confidence, from nailing your eyeliner to acing your next project, and watch yourself level up. So that is our little card, and of course this is from Ipsy Open Studios, and that is the inside of our little card. So in our small box, I think this is what's supposed to be in there. I have the Seraphine Botanicals. Really love every bit of their lip oils and lip treatments that I've tried, and this is another one. It is the Fruit Butter Lip Mask, and I actually believe this is a full-size product. Next up is the Sophia and Maybelle. Their highlighter, phenomenal. I woke up like this. Ooh, Skin Perfecting Primer. It is a mini. Next up is a Ciate London, the Definer Liner. I do not see the shade. It's a gel liner in Starburst, so it looks like it's probably going to be a metallic champagne shade. I will probably put this in my PIF pile. If you are new here, any of the products that I know that I won't use, not just in this box, but in any other PR that I receive, friend mail, swaps that I receive that I know I'm not going to use, I pay it forward to you guys. Next up, we have an Araceli Beauty. I love their stuff too. Their eyeliner, fantastic. Their eyeliner is fantastic. This is their Monarcha Mascara with Avocado Oil. Ooh! That sounds amazing. I'm not going to completely open it. I do just want to see what the packaging looks like. Oh, very beautiful. Very sleek. And it does have a matte black with a shiny monarch on it. I like that. That might be one of the full-size products for this bag. I don't know, y'all. And then last but not least is a mini of the Glow Recipe, the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. I also really, really love Glow Recipe products. So from this, I think I'm going to keep everything except for the liner, so I'll put that in my pay it forward pile for you guys. Then we're going to go over to our Plus, and it is a lilac with pink, and it says You Got This. And they will typically not like fully match, but they'll be coordinating, which I really love. So first up, and again, I may be wrong on these, it is the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream with ashwagandha, reishi, and pentapeptides from youth to the people. Next up we have the Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics Makeup Beauty Sponge. I will also put this in my Pay It Forward pile. I do use a sponge regularly, not to apply my foundation, but to kind of press everything in, but I have a million of them, so I definitely don't need another one. We'll put that in the Pay It Forward pile. Next is brushes. I love brushes. This is YC Collection, and it looks to be a beautiful 3-piece set, and is black and pink, which, you know, pink is my favorite color, pink and yellow. Oh, these feel nice. Already our first impressions, they feel quite weighted, very weighted. This is more of like I would use this more for like powder highlight or something like that, maybe powder under the eye, but beautiful. I like the sleek packaging. I think it's super beautiful. I love the pink. I love the pink to black ombre effect. Then we have a blender brush and another blender brush. Love that. You can never have too many brushes, and most of the brushes I own are from subscription boxes. Next is the Somme, S-O-M-M-E, Institute Transport 50 treatment pads. What kind of treatment pads? Exfoliation without abrasion. Soft cotton pads infused with MDT5 exfoliate dead cells on the skin surface. Cool! I've never heard of this brand before. Very cute, sleek packaging. And I'm not going to open these yet because I do have some already open on my vanity. I like that. Very clean, very minimal. Alright, I'll keep those. And then last but not least is an Ofra palette. It says Signature Palette in the shade or colorway Symphony. That is what that looks like. And I love Ofra. I love their formula. Oh, very beautiful. Not something I'm going to use. This is all kind of pretty much purpley, like mauve-y tones. I don't use these all the time, so of course I'll also put this in my Pay It Forward pile. And don't worry, everything does get sanitized and wiped down and everything prior to me shipping anything out. And because it is Friday, so we'll just go ahead and do a Pay It Forward Friday right now. You're gonna be getting the Ofra palette. You're gonna be getting the little beauty blender. You're also gonna get the eyeliner. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add these to the people in here as well. All the rules and everything are gonna be in the description box. Thank you for dealing with me. Thank you for being patient. Hopefully I will be back very soon. I'm just trying to get better. That's all. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Safe travels if you are traveling for the holiday. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.